The mystery behind Bluebird. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, Bluebird. By the end of this video, you'll know its meanings, its origins, and how to use it in your daily conversations. First things first. At its most basic level, a bluebird is just that, a bird with blue feathers. Different species of birds might be referred to as bluebirds due to their prominent blue coloration. But the term bluebird is not always used to merely describe a bird that is blue. In many cultures, especially in the West, the bluebird is a symbol of happiness and joy. Think of the phrase, the bluebird of happiness. Over the years, it has been referenced in songs, movies, and literature, often signifying hope, happiness, or a positive change coming. Now, you might be wondering, how do I use this in a sentence? While you might not frequently come across someone talking about a literal bluebird, the symbolic representation can be used in various ways. 1. Ever since she moved to the countryside, she's found her bluebird of happiness. 2. I'm waiting for my bluebird moment. Meaning someone is waiting for their moment of happiness or breakthrough. Remember, in these examples, bluebird doesn't mean the actual bird but rather the joy or happiness it symbolizes. One thing to note is that not every culture sees the bluebird as a symbol of happiness. In other languages or cultures, the phrase might not hold the same significance. So, always be mindful of your audience when using symbolic terms. The beauty of language is in its diversity, and while some phrases resonate globally, others might be unique to certain cultures. And there you have it. Next time you hear the term, bluebird, you'll know it might not just be about a bird with blue feathers. Whether it's happiness, joy, or hope, the bluebird carries with it a message that transcends its literal meaning. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and remember, keep looking out for your own bluebird of happiness.